Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to showcase Redmi mobile guys sound vibration setting guys, and today video title guys how to use ringtone setting, how to set up ringtone in Redmi mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about how to set ringtone, how to add ringtone, how to change ringtone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll it. Friends, click here sound vibration setting. After on sound and vibration setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, you can check ringtone is off. And you can adjust your volume. Friends, click here ringtone. After ringtone setting, friends, click here all ringtone setting. And friends, which ringtone do you like? Select your ringtone. Friends, there are many ringtone. So friends, I will use Kung Fu ringtone. Click here, and friends, you can check ringtone will set in my Redmi mobile, and I can adjust volume from here. So like that friends, you can set ringtone in your Redmi mobile. After set ringtone, friends, you want to set notification ringtone, you want to set alarm ringtone. So friends, click here all ringtone setting, and you can set alarm ringtone. Select your ringtone sound and you can use it. So like that, and friends, you want to change alarm ringtone, so click here, you can change ringtone also. Same setting friends, you can see notification ringtone is off. So friends, click here, select your notification sound and you can use it. Notification ringtone will on. So like that friends, you can set notification ringtone, alarm ringtone and mobile ringtone. And friends, you want to change your Redmi mobile ringtone, so friends, click here, and friends, select your new ringtone and you can change. So friends, now I will use mi ringtone. So friends, you can see ringtone will change. And friends, if you click here, so you can change the ringtone. So like that friends, there are many ringtone, you can use it. And friends, you want to add any ringtone, so friends, click here. First friends, you can select your online ringtone. Second, friends, click here local ringtone. Music ringtone, friends, you have any music ringtone, so friends, click here OK option, and friends, add your ringtone. After a ringtone friends, you can say ringtone will change automatic. Apply it successfully, and you can use your custom ringtone in your Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to change your custom ringtone, so friends, click here 5 minutes, select your ringtone sound, OK option, you can change custom ringtone. And you want to use your system ringtone, so select your system ringtone and you can use it. So like that friends, we can use ringtone, we can set up ringtone setting in Redmi mobile one by one, step by step. So bye friends, thanks for watching.